Children, continuing with the other states. So today we are going to see about the Uttar Pradesh state, children. It is also one of the states in our country, children. So it is the largest and the most populated state, children. Compared to other states in the country, its population is more, children. Okay. So it is the largest and the most populated state in India, children. Okay. So what are the crops grown over here is wheat, rice and sugarcane, children. As the Ganga river flows through Uttar Pradesh, it brings the fertile soil, children. Okay. So the crops grow well in the fertile soil. So that's why it is largest and the most populated states, children. And then other major industries we can see is sugar. As sugarcane is grown, no, children. So in the factories they make the sugar, children. And you have the textile industry and leather industry, children. These are the major industries over there, children. And Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugar in India, children. Okay. And the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Okay. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. And some of the works, children, what it is famous for, that one we can see. Okay. That is chikankari work of Lucknow, children. Chikankari work means on the cloth they will make some design, children. That work is called as chikankari work. Okay. The next one, silk sarees of Varanasi. Banana silk, like that we tell no children. That silk sarees of Varanasi. And then wooden furnitures, children, of Saharanpur. Okay. That one is also very famous, children. And Allahabad is a city that we have learnt in the previous class also. That is the Sangam of Yamuna and Ganga, children. Okay. So it is the birthplace of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also. Then Agra, children. Agra is a historical city. There you can see the Taj Mahal, children. Okay. World famous, one of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. That building is there, children, in Agra. Okay. That is a historical city, children. Then Kanpur is an industrial city. Many industries are present in Kanpur, children. So other tourist places, what and all you can observe, no? Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, the temples of Mathura and Varanasi are the tourist places, children. Okay. So many places are there, children, to visit in Uttar Pradesh. Next we will go to our Delhi. Okay. So Delhi is also surrounded by the states of Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, children. It is a metropolitan city and it is located on the banks of the river Yamuna, children. Yes. So the Delhi is located on the banks of the river Yamuna, children. Okay. So we know that New Delhi is our capital. Okay. India's capital is New Delhi, children. It is also a historical city. Many people work in office, children. Why? Because we have parliament and then Rashtrapati Bhavan. So mostly the government related offices are more over there, children. And many of them have businesses also. So what are the important tourist places you can see over there is Jama Masjid, Red Fort. So Red Fort is a place. On 15th August, Independence Day, Prime Minister will hoist the national flag and address the nation, children. So Red Fort is the place. Then Qutub Minar, the tallest building, children. Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, India Gate, Akshardham Temple, Humayun's Tomb and Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of President of India, children. Okay, so Rashtrapati Bhavan. So Delhi is also an important place, children. Next one we are going to see about Bihar. So as the Ganga river flows, no children, So after crossing Uttar Pradesh, it flows through the Bihar. Okay. So it is on the eastern side of the Ganga basin. It is on the eastern side of the Ganga basin. It is also a fertile region. So rice and sugarcane are grown over there, and then lychees, mangoes, banana and guavas are the main fruits, children. And its capital is Patna, children. Okay, and its capital is Patna. Earlier it was Pataliputra. Okay, it is one of the oldest city also, children. Okay. Then Bhagalpur is the center of silk weaving. So silk weaving means using silkworms. Okay, they can produce the silk and they can make beautiful cloths, children. Okay. Then what is their traditional food? Do you know? Litti choka. That is their traditional food, children. And then what festival they celebrate? No, Chhat Puja. Okay, Chhat Puja is the festival, and then it is famous for Madhubani paintings, children. Okay, Madhubani paintings. You can also in your free time you can learn this, children. Madhubani paintings. It's also interesting. Okay, and what are the major tourist destinations? You know, Patna, Gaya, Rajgir and Nalanda. So Gaya is the place where Buddha got enlightenment. Okay, and then Rajgir also, children, and Nalanda is a place where in the olden days one famous university was there, children. Nalanda University. Okay, so they are the major tourist destinations, children. So the next one we are going to see the pictures, children. See, in Bodh Gaya a large statue of Buddha is there, and then Litti Choka they have shown the picture, and Madhubani painting also they have shown the picture, children. The next one we are going to see about the West Bengal, children. So West Bengal is the last state where the Ganga flows, children. Okay, so it also makes the land very fertile. So the main crops are jute, rice, like that they are growing, children, and jute products are very famous, children. And agriculture and fishing also their main occupation, children. Agriculture and fishing, they are very fond of fish, children, West Bengal people. Then you have where the Ganga goes and drains, no, children, it enters Bangladesh. Okay, some part Hooghly river. Okay, it is one part flowing through Calcutta. So it also drains into the Bay of Bengal. So you have a world famous Sundarban Delta, children. Okay, you have the world famous Sundarban Delta. Why? Because you have the Sundari trees over there, children. It's a mangrove forest. Okay, Sundarban. Ban means forest. So Sundari trees are more. That's why it is known as Sundarban forest. Okay, and it is a home to Royal Bengal tiger, children. Okay, one variety of tiger, Royal Bengal tiger. So its capital is Kolkata, children. Okay, you have to pronounce it as Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata is its capital, children. The next one, and here near to the Sikkim, no, children, we have a hill station, that is Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a tourist place, and the tea gardens are very famous, and the tea of Darjeeling is world famous, children. Okay, the tea will be very tasty also. The next state we are going to see is Assam, children. So Assam lies in the Brahmaputra basin. So I have shown you in the map also, children. Okay, it is the easternmost part. Here also rice, jute and tea are grown, children. They are the main important crops grown over there. The next one, it is famous for tea production also, children. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Okay, Dispur is the capital of Assam, and Guwahati is an important city with international airport. Then yesterday's the online class also I have shown you children Kaziranga National Park. Okay, the one-horned rhinoceros that is also famous over there, and Kamakya temple. Okay, for the goddess Durga or Parvati we can tell. So Kamakya temple children. Okay, that one is also very famous in Assam. Okay children, by this lesson is over. So they have given in this textbook that is for this lesson all the important states in the northern plains children. So take your textbook and read children. See you in the next class. Thank you.